So before we actually start this, did you watch the video that on Teams? And you have your notes with it, with your notes in your notebook? Why not? You have to copy that down. I'm pretty sure I was very specific that I said you have to copy that down because you can't do that without the notes. Was I not explicitly clear about that? This is week 9, Sunday. Actually, I should really put week 10, Monday. I'm going to start geometry and talk about parallel lines. So, draw two different lines right here. Line M, line N. We can say that line M is parallel to line N. Make sure you draw this down. No, copy the diagram down. You also need to have different colors. Label with color. Then you have line P. Line P is the transversal. Once you have that, you're going to label this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Those are angles. And then on the side of your paper, you write 1 corresponding angles, 2 alternative angles, interior angles, also exterior angles, consecutive interior angles, consecutive exterior angles, just the part I'm highlighting. You need to draw this diagram a lot bigger. You're going to need to draw this diagram bigger. You can write it over here. I don't have any alternate. Label the ABCs right there, and then write it right over here. When you don't bother prepping after I spend time putting on Teams, that's a problem. So after Taekwondo, you can spend the rest of the day watching the videos and reading. Understand? I asked you to do that this morning. Did I not? So when I asked you the first time, I expect you to get it done. I don't need to go and repeat myself 2 or 3 times. My time is valuable. So when I have the time for you, that time is now wasted because I have to go back and redo this part that you should have already done. You understand that? There are consequences to your inadequacy. You want to be in the GT program, you better go and act like it. You're not over there to have fun and just enjoy yourself and not take your academics seriously. If that's the case, I don't need to drive you all the way over there. You can go to the school that you're zoned for. Copy down the 5 things on the side. Copy down just the yellow part. Leave space. First one, corresponding angles. Read the question, read the definition. Transversal. Transversal, it does matter. Transversal, say it correctly. Reread it again. Right. Need you to copy down equal in that. Same relative position. So those angles are going to be keyword is same relative position. those angles will be these angles right here. I'm gonna highlight for you. I'll highlight them orange. B and F, A and E, C and G, D and H. So you should say angle A is congruent to angle E. Angle C is congruent to angle G. Angle B is congruent to angle F. Angle D is congruent to angle H. Those are the four pairs of corresponding angles. Notice that they're on the same side. So bottom actually put same side and equal. Same side A. Label the A through H, your diagram. This is what you would have done when you watched the video. Do you understand me? Now you're wasting my time. So I'm kind of irritated with you. Alternative means percent inside angles. These angles are opposite sides and they are equal. So copy the thing I wrote down, copy on the thing that I have. So take a look at angle A. Which angle is opposite of angle A? It's also equal to angle A. Tell me some of the angles are opposite of angle A. Is angle A on the left side or the right side of the blue line? Yeah, so what are the angles on the right side of that? Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, so opposite A is equal to angle H. So you see how they are opposite of each other? But they're alternative, which means opposite side. But they're both equal. They're both obtuse angles. Do you see that? So that's one. What about angle B? What's alternative interior? No, it's just one angle. So B is to what? Okay, look at A and H. Do you see A and H right there in red? You need to grab this and make sure you highlight A and H. Why is it that I'm doing this and you're not doing that? I put it draw this a little bit bigger. What's alternative interior to B? Nope. Has to be on the opposite side. Is D on the opposite side? No, no, no. If A is to H, B is to G. Do you see that? We have two more to go. What's the next angle? No, that's it. There's just two. Here's. Actually, hold on a second. I just totally fucked this up. Right. This is actually no. Those angles are exterior because they're on the outside. You see how this is on the outside? Label it. So this one is going to be angle B is congruent. Label it down here with exterior. Angle G, angle A is congruent to angle H. Okay. Excuse me. Alternate interior. Do you see how this right here is the inside? So let's start with the angle C. What does angle C equal to? It's opposite inside angle. Here is C. What angle is on the inside that's the opposite of C? F. Do that. There's one more pair. Yeah. Angle D under angle E. Did she ever go over these notes with you? Good. Write it down. Do you understand how hard this stuff is? This is not easy stuff. I'm sorry I have a crappy teacher that doesn't teach you things like this, but I give you the stuff on Teams and you don't even bother doing it. How do you think that makes me feel? Because now I'm wasting my freaking time at home doing this video when you could have done this on your own. Do you understand that? You want more freedom and independence? Then show me that you're responsible. Is that an E or which one? Never mind. Which one? Never mind. 1, 2, or 3? 2. Is that a D is to F. D is to E. You can't just write that down and just assume you know what it is. You have to look at the diagram, make sense of it in your head. Did you label the inside outside? Yeah, no, this is garbage. I want you to draw another one right over here. No. Relabel. Relabel. What is now? You don't think about anybody else. Number 4. Consecutive means next to. An alternative exterior, alternate means opposite. Write that down. Exterior, outside. It should have the little title there. Consecutive interior is next to inside angles. These angles are very different because they don't add up. They're not equal. They're supplementary. What does supplementary mean? Nope. Perpendicular means they add up 90 degrees. No. You should know how to do this. This was one of your vocabs. Supplementary. Go. Where's it from? Go search it up. Yeah, go get it.